Ever start your car and hear this noise before? Does this noise get worse when it's cold out? Or perhaps what you've just heard doesn't even compare to that awful banshee-like squeal coming from under your hood. If this describes your vehicle, then your engine might be due for a serpentine belt. Hello and welcome. I'm the mechanic gone rogue. Today, I'm tackling a task common to vehicle maintenance, replacing the serpentine belt. The vehicle I'll be working on today is none other than my 2016 Volkswagen Golf with a 1.8T engine. To get things started, we must note the routing of the belt. Sometimes manufacturers will leave a diagram in the engine bay, but that's not the case for this car, so I drew my own. It really doesn't need to be fancy, it's just there to remind me how to put the new belt back on. For tooling, all that is needed is either a ratchet with an appropriate size socket or a dedicated serpentine belt removal tool. Links in the description for those interested. Now, locate the tensioner pulley and use the ratchet or removal tool to rotate it in the direction that removes tension on the belt. Different engines will be different directions. In this case, I turned it to the right. Now that the belt is loose, I can easily remove it from the pulleys and then the engine. Here's what the old belt looks like removed. Overall, not bad shape. But look at this big crack here. Normally, multiple small cracks will form as the belt wears. But that's not the case with this one. It's definitely a good thing I'm replacing this today. Before installing the new belt, I'm also going to be replacing the tensioner assembly. This isn't an essential step, but I'm choosing to do this now while everything is apart. To install the belt, refer to the diagram and loosely route the belt around as many pulleys as possible. Next, I'm going to rotate the tensioner pulley to create more room, and this allows me to slide the new belt onto the remaining pulleys. With my new belt on, it's time to do a start test. Before starting, double check that the new belt is correctly seated in all the pulleys. Start the engine and let it run for a few moments, ensuring that the belt stays in place and there are no unusual noises. And that's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe because I got more where that came from. Thanks for watching, and until next time, MGR signing out.